Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be installing DashCam in my Camry. I got this DashCam for $38. Here it is. Looks pretty good. Um, here it is on the Amazon. You can see this is the camera. It's only $38. It says 1080p, good quality. So we're about to find out if it's good or not. So right off the bat, what I thought of this camera was it's really light. It's like plasticky kinda. And it has all these weird buttons on the side. So let's turn it on. I'm not sure what to turn on, to be honest. Oh, I found it. So there's a button on the side. And here it is. It's on. Quality is pretty good. Hey, as you can see, that's my baby Beamer right there, X6M. Actually, it's not bad. Like through GoPro, it doesn't look great. I mean, it still looks kind of good, but over here, if I look at the camera, like you can read the plates and everything. It says the time, the date, so it's not bad. 1080 FHD. Okay, so the only thing is, it's not $30 exact because, well, one, you pay taxes. It's like $1 something, so it comes out to like 39-ish, so 40 bucks. And I had to buy a micro SD card for the memory, so you can record the footage in front of the car. It was about $7. I bought 32 gigabytes of the memory, so it came out to be like 47, 48 maybe. So yeah, so this is the camera. You basically, I'm gonna set this camera down. Let's see. So this is the camera. I don't know if the lighting is good or not. Probably ass, but this is the camera. Set it up like this. This is the camera. It came like this in 3 pieces basically. These two, and then a small charger that I have at home, and this big one, big charger for the car. So what you do is you take this suction cup and you attach it with this little piece over here. As you can see, it just like slides in like so, and that's it. It's good, it's tight. How to install it: you basically just flip it, and basically look at this front. I mean, is this the front or the back? I'm not really sure. So as you can see, like it says like Crosstour, whatever the name is, it's this way. So this is the proper way to install it. You can do it the other way, but it's up to you. I prefer it this way because it's just gonna be like hanging on there tight and like good. You can also adjust with this wheel. You can adjust the suction cup. I'm gonna do that in a bit. And then this charger. Let's plug in the charger first. I'm thinking. Let's see. Remove that. And I have what do I have inside? This charger is here. I got this piece inside that I can just put it on the side somewhere. Don't really need it right now. Then I can plug this charger in. The wire, as you can see, it's insanely long. Not really sure why it's this long, but maybe it's also so you can install it for like the back. But it's insanely long. Damn. Okay, so plug it in inside over there, so you can see. It also has like a USB port on it in case you need to plug something in, so it's not wasting the slot. So I plug that in, and like I'm not really sure what to do with all this wiring, cabling, wiring. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna stuff it in there. Put the box back. Let's look up now. About here somewhere. I'm just gonna set it up here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera on again. I think it turned off. Maybe you ran out of battery. So I'm gonna plug it in to charge. So it's always charging. Oh, it's already recording? Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna set it up like this. You just put it where you want it to be and just turn this wheel. I don't know if you guys can see it. Not really, but this, you just hold it like that. I mean, I guess you can hold for a little bit, but you have to turn this wheel to make it tight. So it's like tight on the windshield. Let me just do that real quick. Okay, in this position, and now it's done. It will hold. As you can see, it's recording. Let me just make it tighter so it doesn't bounce up and down. Because I forgot to, I was gonna adjust it, but it looks like it's good. So I guess it's recording, as you can see. Red light and blue blinking. I guess that's the battery, I'm assuming. So let's see what happens if I turn off the car. Damn, it was probably loud as fuck. My bad. So I turned off the car and it's still recording, so maybe I have to turn it off. Let's see. So it just turned off by itself. Let's see if I turn it back on, what happens. It's hella hot, god damn. Okay, it's on. It is not recording. Let me see where the button is to record. Is it on this side? Is it M? Nope. Okay, I took the camera off just by accident actually, but let's see, maybe this? Nope, that's just settings. The sound of the buttons and the sound it makes is just crazy. I took a photo, what the hell? I'm actually dying over here. Let me at least open the windows. God damn. It's hella hot. Okay, windows are open. We're good. Turn off the car. So, I'm guessing I changed the settings somehow. This media. Well, I guess you press OK. Nice, I guess. So there are 4 buttons over here to turn it on. This is to turn on, this is just to lock this something. I'm not really sure. Nothing happens. M is media, and OK button is to record. And I can only record 1 hour and 40 minutes, I guess. So I'm guessing I can just leave it like this. I'm not really sure because it's on. I think it turns off by itself, to be honest though. So yeah, this is what it looks like over here from the driver's side. I'm just setting like this, and as you can see, it's on the side. It's not too bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Make sure you